What's going on, guys? Emoji here and welcome to another video. In this quick demonstration, I'll be showing you guys how you can set up Google Maps to show you how fast you're going while driving. So what you'll need to do is open up Google Maps, go into your settings, scroll down till you see navigation settings, and then scroll down again till you see map display and driving options. In case you want the speed to be shown in kilometers or miles, you can select it through the distance units option. So if I want kilometers, I can select that. Now the automatic option is, let's say if you're changing between countries, let's say you're driving from Canada to United States, and Canada uses kilometers while United States uses miles. So the app will automatically figure that out for you and show you the speed accordingly. Usually I just set it to automatic. And driving options is the option you're actually looking for, specifically speedometer. So you'll need to have it turned to on if you want to see the speed limits when you're driving. Now the speed limits option makes you aware if you're going above the speed limit, and I've set it to on. However, in certain cases the speed limits might be a little bit higher or lower, so just be aware of the surroundings when you're driving. And yeah, that's it. Like, once you have both of those options enabled, you should be able to see how fast you're driving. Going back, let me just demonstrate to you as well how it shows up. So let's say if I want to go to Matahari Grill, I just click on directions and start, and I'm able to see now, because I'm not driving, it says 0 km/h. And yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys find it useful. Thank you. Bye.